my babes? Welcome back to my channel. So today I have a huge back to school haul, which I'm so pumped about. Everything that I picked up for one of you guys is literally everything that I would pick up for myself if I were going back to school. And I'm not gonna lie, I actually picked up one or two things for myself as well. So whoever the lucky winner is, we're gonna be twinning together. I hope you guys like this video. If you do, a thumbs it up. Don't forget to subscribe if you aren't already and join our YouTube family. We would love to have you. We just hit 20K subscribers just a little over 4 weeks ago, and I'm so excited and still so grateful. So don't forget to subscribe. All my socials are below. All the rules for the giveaway will be at the end, so stay tuned. It'll also be in the description box as well. And don't forget to hit the notification button so you never miss an upload. Okay, let's get into this. I am so excited. Okay, so like I have said in my other previous giveaway videos, you guys, I just want to give back to you, whether it's big or small. I just want to do my part and give back. I was so excited to hit 20,000 subscribers. That literally means so much to me, more than you guys know. That's why I've done all these big giveaways, and that's why I'm doing this back to school giveaway. I know it's back to school season, and there's a lot of these giveaways going on, so I wanted to just do my part. So when I was 17, my parents moved like across the country, and I was on my own. So I know exactly how pricey getting your school supplies is, and just like being on your own and paying bills and have to worry about like your school supplies and your books and everything. Like, it's so overwhelming, and it can be like hard sometimes. So I wish that I would have had someone to do this for me, so that's why I now am wanting to do this for someone else. So with that said, let me grab this bag and let's go through it. You're gonna look at this bag and you're not gonna be surprised because it looks like exactly like my tie-dye intro, I feel like. I saw this and I said, I need it. How cute is this print? It's like a purple and pink and blue tie-dyed print. Definitely my style. And how cute is this little pom-pom? Oh, I love it. Okay, so this is the bag, and I'm excited. Let's open it up and let's go through all the giveaway items. It's really kind of sad how soon it is for people to go back to school. Okay, so first, oh wow. First item is this cute, really colorful polka dot folder. On the inside, it's like lime green, which reminds me of my best friend because this is her favorite color. And I thought this was just so cute, little polka dots. How cute is that? And then I also picked up the matching polka dot notebook so that you can put it right inside there. It's 3 rings, so you can put it right in and have it be matchy-matchy. I thought that was so cute. Then I picked up 2 of these folders. These ones are my favorite because they literally last forever. They're made of plastic and they don't wear. Like, they last literally forever. So I picked this up in one of my favorite like colors, which is this blue teal color, and on the inside it's purple. I thought that was so cute. And then this one, it's kind of hard to see, but this one is a really pretty like floral, colorful kaleidoscope color. And you can put these in your binder as well. There's little punches here for the rings. And then to match that, I also picked up a 3 subject notepad because you can literally never have too much paper. And again, you can put this right in your 3-ring binder or keep it out if you want to. There are little bullets here, but I love this color. It's one of my favorites. So I had to get this one. This, I'm so excited about. This is what I also picked up for myself. How gorgeous. I love anything marble and colorful and glittery. So this had my name all over it. So there's one for you guys. And then I also have one of my own. It's a composition notebook. So cute. Love that. And then I thought this was so fun. It says "Work That Crown" with pineapples on it. It's so colorful. Has some glitter in there, and I just had to get this. So whether you put this like in your room or on your locker or whichever, it's just like such a cute little reminder to work, girl, work. And then I picked up this really cute planner. It's small enough to go right into your bag or right into your notebook, and you can have it, you can keep it right with you, so you can put all of your homework assignments or projects or papers or anything due. You can jot it down and stay organized. I 100% stand by planners. I have like 3 of them, and I live by them. I also thought this was the cutest little notebook. It says "Walking on Sunshine, Happiness, Laughter, and Love," and I love the print. It's so colorful. And I just love anything motivational like this and colorful. It's just definitely up my alley. And it's just like a regular notebook, so you can jot things down or write notes or do whatever you have to do. These are really good for like to-do lists, so love that. I also picked up this pink little 3-ring binder that you can put right into your binder and have all of your pencils and highlighters and any kind of supplies that you need to keep right with you. And of course I got pink because it's one of my favorite colors. So when I was in school, I absolutely had to have gel pens, like colorful gel pens and colorful highlighters. I wrote my papers with these, I studied with these, I marked in books and marked in papers. I even like wrote out notes to keep more organized with these gel pens. So these are such a must for me. I had to give them to you guys. I also picked up these cute little designed pens. These are black ink and I thought they were so cute with the little graphics. And then I also picked up these really cool mechanical pencils. They have these really nice comfy grips on them and they're colorful and just super cute. So a huge thing for me when studying in college were index cards. These ones are colorful because they're just so much easier just to categorize and to keep organized with different topics or different classes. So index cards are a must. And then I also picked up this little organizer for you guys to put the index cards in. And these are really nice because they have little tabs. So you can keep your index cards nice and organized for each class or topic or test or whatever. It's just like so nice and I love the print and the color. Post-it notes were a must for me, as well as these little tabs, like these arrow tabs were a huge must for me. I needed these. They keep you so organized, especially with books when you're marking papers, and these are just great for marking notes on things that you need to remember. So these are blue and green, and these are multicolored rainbows, of course. I also picked up a simple pink water bottle because in class I always needed a snack and I always needed water. So I got you guys a water bottle so you can fill it up and be good all throughout your classes all day long. Alright you guys, the bag is now empty. Let's go through these rules. So of course I will have all the rules down below, but I will also tell you here. So, number 1 is that you must be subscribed to my channel. Number 2 is you must follow me on my socials, which is Instagram, Twitter, and Snapchat. And then leave me a comment down below telling me exactly why you would like to win everything that I just showed. Are you maybe not able to get all of your school supplies this year? Are you maybe going into your first year of college and you're in your first apartment and you have just a lot of bills and this would be so helpful? Tell me your situation down below. I would really like to hear from you guys and just to find out why you guys would like to win. Those are the rules, pretty simple, and I will be checking all the comments, and of course, as you guys know, I always reply to everyone. So of course, after this video, I will meet you guys down there. I love you guys so much. Thank you again just for everything. This is only like the tiniest little bit of a way that I can give back to you. So thank you guys times a million. I appreciate you so much, and good luck to the lucky winner that wins everything. I love you guys so much. Don't forget to subscribe, follow the rules, and I will see you guys in a few days in my next video. Love you. Bye.